Today, Net for Microplastic project is at the Department of Engineering and Architecture of the University of Trieste. With me, there is Dr. Marco Caniato, researcher of the Free University of Bolzano. In our project, we test a new technology for recycling microplastic, thanks to a patent of the University of Trieste. Marco is one of the two inventors of this patent. Could you explain us your idea?
Yes, this idea started a few years ago with the aim to produce a new material able to recycle every materials that has no traditional way of recycling. For example, carbon fiber, fiberglass, glass powder, coupled plastics, or for example the one of the toys, and so on. So another aim of this idea was to produce something that has acoustic and thermal properties, and the production method has not to use chemicals or pollutants elements. So this idea has had a good ending, thanks also to Dr. Andrea Travan, which is the other co-author of the patent. And we produce a foam that is flexible, that has acoustic and thermal properties of acoustic insulation and absorption and thermal insulation. And this, for example, was produced using carbon fiber waste coming from in the automotive industry.
And what is the application of this foam in our project?
Since in this material we can recycle basically every materials, the aim is to produce with microplastics, as this for example, that we may gain in the sea, produce foams that has acoustics and thermal properties as insulators. As you can see here, there are many microplastics, many types of microplastics, and you cannot recycle them in a traditional way because they are mixed together. In this material you can recycle everything and give the waste a new life. We can produce it flexible using a bonding agent that plasticizes our matrix, so we can just use it flexible, or we can have it rigid, where rigidity or stiffness is required for the application.
And what are the applications of this foam?
We can have many applications where is it requested acoustic properties or thermal properties or fire resistant properties. We can use this foam. For example, in boats, instead of using rock wool, or in civil engineer, using this as thermal insulator for house, for hospitals, for buildings in general, or use it within walls for acoustic properties, for acoustic insulation, or in automotive industry within the cars for insulation, for insulating both noise and temperature or heat and so on.
Thank you very much, Marco, for this explanation.